nung ako'y inanyayahan bilang jury selection committee, ang layunin niya talaga is to give our Filipino films a platform para mapanood siya ng mas malawak na audience. Kaabang-abang ang unang taon ng Pistang Pelikulang Pilipino dahil parang nationwide talent search siya, pero ito naman ay nationwide film search, kumbaga. Ang pelikulang Pilipino ay kasing kulay at baka mas makulay pa sa rainbow. We have a very rich culture. Kaya this is what makes the Filipinos so interesting. I think in celebrating our diversity, we hopefully will become more united. I see the hard work that the team has been putting in the past year. Ang dami na talaga, maingay tayo ngayon. And the Philippine cinema is thriving, but at the same time, it's also dying. Parang it's like, on one side, ang daming films, pero at the same time, parang pinapanood ba siya? Ang isang bagay na we are taking into consideration ay hindi lamang kung anong magugustuhan namin. Kailangan isipin namin, magugustuhan kaya ito ng tao. But at the same time, also trying to offer them something new and different. For me, in any way I can support the industry, I will do so. Because it is also my small way of giving back to the industry that has put me where I am now. Napakahalaga na tangkilikin nating mga Pilipino ang sariling atin. These steps that FDCP is doing to support Philippine cinema, every bit of that helps. Lahat ito, kumbaga ito na siguro yung ating baby steps towards a thriving local cinema. Mga kababayan, ako po si Iza Calzado at inaanyayahan ko po kayong lahat na tangkilikin ang pista ng pelikulang Pilipino mula August 16 hanggang August 22. Mapapanood niyo po dito ang mga pelikulang Pilipino para sa mga Pilipino. Mabuhay!